Class 7, this is your science lecture, sound wave. We have completed our reading of Unit 10, sound wave, and now we will do exercise of Unit 10, sound wave. In this lecture, we will do question number 1 and recall question of exercise. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The regular to and fro movement of swimming body are called dash. A. Wave. B. Oscillation. C. Movement. D. Amplitude. Answer is B. Oscillation. Number 2. The time taken for a one complete oscillation is called A. Period. B. Wave. C. Frequency. D. Crust. Answer is A. Period. Number 3. The number of oscillations completed in 1 second is called dash. Option A. Frequency. B. Period. C. Wave. D. Trough. Answer is option A. Frequency. Number 4. Frequency is measured in dash. A. Second. B. Hertz. C. Ohm. D. Meter per second. Answer is B. Hertz. Number 5. The loudness of a sound produced by vibrating body depend upon dash. A. Amplitude. B. Oscillation. C. Frequency. D. Wavelength. Answer is A. Amplitude. Number 6. Waves that travel perpendicular to the direction of oscillation are called dash. A. Longitudinal wave. B. Transfer wave. C. Vibration. D. Pulse. Answer is B. Transfer wave. Number 7. Sound waves are dash wave. A. Transfer. B. Longitudinal. C. Horizontal. D. Fast. Answer is B. Longitudinal. Number 8. A small drum will produce dash sound than a big one. Option A. Louder. B. Softer. C. Shriller. D. Sharp. Answer is option B. Softer. Number 9. Humans can hear sound of frequencies between dash. Option A. 20 to 20,000 Hz. B. 500 to 50,000 Hz. C. 500 to 66,000 Hz. D. 20 to 1,20,000 Hz. Answer is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Number 10. Wavelength is distance between two dash or two troughs. A. Wave. B. Peak. C. Oscillation. D. Point. Answer is B. Peak. Question number 1. What is oscillation? A regular back and forth movement of a body is called oscillation. A swing move forward and backward if it is pushed. Number 2. What is period? The time taken for a complete oscillation is called its time period. Its unit is second. Time period is equal 1 over frequency. Question number 3. What is meant by frequency of oscillation? The number of oscillations completed in 1 second is called frequency of oscillation. The frequency of sound is number of sound waves being produced in 1 second. Frequency is measured in hertz. 1 hertz means 1 wave is produced or passing through a certain point in 1 second. A child on a swing goes backward and forward 100 times in 5 minutes. Calculate a period of oscillation and frequency. Frequency is equal to number of vibration over time in seconds. 5 minutes is equal to 300 seconds. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी नंबर ऑफ वाइब्रेशन 100 है. इनको हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 300 से, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0.33 हर्ट्ज. टाइम पीरियड 1 ओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.33, तो टाइम पीरियड इज इक्वल टू 3 सेकेंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. अ पेंडुलम clock is losing time. Is the period too long or too short? Should the pendulum be made longer or shorter? If pendulum clock is losing time, its period is too long, so its length should be decreased. Question number 6. What are transfer and longitudinal wave? Transfer wave are produced when the oscillation is from side to side at right angle to the direction in which wave travels. The particle of medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation in transfer wave. Light wave, water wave, magnetic wave and radio wave are example of transfer wave. Longitudinal wave produced by backward and forward movements in a long spring are called longitudinal wave. The back and forth movement of spring produce alternatively two types of region: compression यानी pressure, refraction stretches region. These regions can be denoted by C and R. The particle of medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. What does loudness of a sound depend upon? The loudness of a sound depend upon the height of sound wave. It is amplitude. The greater the amplitude of sound wave, the louder the sound. It is measured in decibels. The loudness of a sound also depend upon the surface area of vibrating body. Students, now your unit number 10 sound wave is completed. Do exercise number 1 on book and learn it. Do recall question on your notebook and learn all these questions. Thanks a lot.